Vericut 9.2 enables users to quickly create reports featuring detailed cutting tool information. Vericut 9.2 features automatic dimensioning for mill and hole making tools, including parametric cutter values, flute length, overall height, stick out, and gauge distances. Vericut 9.2 also features a new section capability in Tool Manager, which enables users to section tool holders or entire tool assemblies to ensure cutters and adapters fit properly inside the holder. The dimensioned tool images are available to use in reports. For more information on enhancements for tool reporting, see the Vericut help.